everyone remember me? World's famous, almost, Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Now, a couple shows ago, I showed you the Tandem Hess truck. Now, this is really the Tandem's box, which isn't literally like custom made, but Tandem is. This box, the guy, what he did, he cut the first slip off here in this one and cut the back slip off in this one. He taped it together with like duct tape, scotch tape, whatever kind of tape, I don't know what it's called. So it's really two of the 1990 boxes. They're the same one except cut off and, you know, like taped. The cardboard is pretty cool. Let me go get it for you. This is the cardboard. Like I said, sorry about that. Like I said, the cardboard is also double the size. What he did, he just taped it again and he cut the middle of these off. It's pretty much the same thing, but double the size. Everything's double with this thing. Hess toy tanker truck, Hess toy tanker truck. Dual sound switch, horn and backup alert, real head and tail lights, twin energizer alkaline batteries. That's what it says on both of them. Like I told you, it's the same boxes. Box art, same, both sides. We have the back of the double boxes, not just one box, and the front of the double boxes. It's pretty weird like that because I'm not used to it. Battery installation, lights and sound operation. You can read that because I'm not reading that right now. And you have a picture on the bottom of the Hess, of the bottom of the truck. Most of you already saw the truck on my other video, but some of you didn't. I'll just take it out from the back because it's easier. The back is broken, so. Here's the first trailer of the truck. So this is really the back trailer. Here's the first one. And then, so this is Tandem. The cardboard. Perfect size for it, I bet. Got this, yeah, perfect. If I want to sell this, it's perfect. Perfect. Ready to go? I guess you do it like that. Backwards? I don't know. Probably the same thing anyway. Happen. Same thing anyway will happen, so it doesn't matter which way. It's just a little bit about the truck. So I was picking this one last night, and it's pretty neat. So you have double everything. Well, except this, because we broke it. So double the batteries. There's actually a cool secret. One battery goes back here, and the other one goes like right there. So I'm like, give it one, but. So that's the first horn. And here's the second horn. They're the same horns, except there's two. Such a racket. There's the alert. And the lights. I'll get the lights for you. It's not going to be total dark. The first one you really can't see because it's really dim. It's really controlling both, but the back one is controlling one. What I really like about it is you're wondering, how did he do this? This excellent work of art. This is a little weird, but I'm going to tell you. So, I don't exactly know how he did it, but I bet he took this off and he chopped this whole thing, this whole front. He chopped this off with some sort of machine, I'm guessing. Hope he didn't cut it off with a knife. And if you could see, he drilled holes like right in this part. Actually, this part. Yeah, he drilled holes in that part. The machine cut it like around here, and he drilled holes into that. Then he found little screws. Oh, what is that? Oh, glue. That's disgusting. Sorry. So he screwed it in, and if you don't do it with two hands, it might come loose, and you don't want that to happen. If I'm holding another truck and my dad says, pick it up with two hands, this is what I do. I carry it a different way. Observe. Not really a good thing, but it's the only way I could do it. But I don't want to keep going back and forth and back. If you could see this little slot right here, that is where this came from. He took this off, and that's the slot from it. Same wheels. Same wheels like this. He left the wheels, he left that. He only cut off like not directly straight. I guess he like cut into it, but then he cut that part off with, I don't know. Hopefully he didn't cut it off with a knife, like I said. Two ladders, double everything. He just kept everything part of the truck, but not everything because of this. He kept the platform at least though. What he did was he just covered the license plate. You don't need to see that really, but at least you only have one license plate in the back. They're the same license plates, don't think anything is different. He just used two of the trucks and did it together. There's this one on eBay, he had it in pictures when I was gonna buy this. It's a triple one. You gotta believe this. I saw it, it's triple the size. So what he did was, he cut, this is the Tandem double one. What he did was, he cut off two of these fronts. Same thing. It's the same thing. Box, cardboard, same thing, except triple the size. That's unbelievable. He wasn't selling it, but he had it in pictures. He puts all the pictures on of all the different trucks he makes, and that's one of them. He made it. I couldn't believe it. Same thing. Cut two fronts off, just two. Same thing. Screwed it underneath. I bet it's the same exact thing, except he cut two fronts off. And it's not double. It's triple. So that's one thing. So don't be alarmed oh, it's a totally different truck. it is not. Let's get it back in its big garage. Straighten it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching the double tanker experience, and I'll see you next time. Bye.